Hello guys, so here we have the Dremel 3000 Gold Edition in this nice looking blue briefcase. So let's open it and see what's inside. So here we have lots of accessories and attachments. We have a handle attachment, this adjustable attachment, another adjustable attachment, the standard attachment for the Dremel, this screw which goes with the handle attachment. I will show you later. Set of 7 drills, some polishing compound, and a lot of accessories. Let's see. We have sanding accessories, polishing accessories. We have this little tool here for cleaning, maybe. We have the tool for attaching grinder discs. And the tool for the drill bits. Sanding attachment. Another sanding attachment. And another. The polishing attachment. The attachment for the extending cord. Drill bits. Small sanding attachment. This special, I'm not sure if you can see it. This special drill bit. Some grinding discs. Those one here's go with the special grinding attachment. I will show you that later too. Let's see what we have here. The Dremel 3000 itself. This Dremel attachment with measuring tool. The special extension cord, flexible extension cord, and Dremel attachment which you have to buy separately. This one, this one here, drill bit, different type of drill bit, drill bits, and again this one is with diamonds. And this is how the handle attachment looks when it's attached to the Dremel tool. You can rotate this handle in whatever position you want. You can put it here, or you can put it here, it doesn't matter. Here's the Dremel tool with the adjustable depth attachment. You can use it for drilling holes to make sure you will not go through on the other side. You can see the measurement here. I'm sorry. Here's the other attachment. As you can see, this one has a 45 degrees angle. You can read all about this attachment in the menu and how exactly to use them. And this is how the Dremel looks like without anything to it. So let me show you how the grinding tools works. It's a really clever little one with a spring-loaded mechanism for easy release. I'm not sure if you can see this, and I'm not sure if I can release it only with one hand, but I will try. Sorry. No, sorry, I cannot do it. And the drill bit attachment, you have here a locking button to prevent rotating of the shaft. And basically that's it, guys. Pretty cool tool with lots of accessories to it, and like I said, you have to read how to use them in the menu.